Hello everyone. In today's video we will discuss about the repertory. I have got some of the messages regarding that how to do the preparation of the repertory subject. As I have already made lots of videos about the repertory, most of the repertories I think I have covered individually in the different videos. And for the preparation of the repertory you have to follow Shashikant Tiwari thoroughly, and we have know about the each repertory very well, about the editions, about the publishing years, about the author, about the life history of the author. And we should also prepare some of the misplaced rubrics, cross references for the Kant repertory, and conversion into the rubric form in the Kant repertory especially. And we have also remember the single medicine in a rubric in the Kant repertory, especially from the SK Tiwari. So we have to do each and every line for these things from the repertory. And in the journal basis we should know about the name of the repertory, about the author of the repertory, and the publishing year. These are the must for the small repertories, especially the clinical repertories. And we should know about the addition, different addition, that how much addition each repertory have. And on the other hand we should know about the symptoms, the type of symptoms, subjective, objective, clinical symptom. We should know the definition about the different symptoms, and what are the different views of the different authors, like Hahnemannian view, like common and uncommon symptoms, Kant's views like mental journal, physical journals, and common symptoms. So we should know the classification of each of the author for the symptoms too. And we should also follow the words said by different authors too, in for the different repertories or for the repertory. So in today's video we will discuss about the Boger therapeutic pocketbook, and in this video we will discuss about the misplaced rubrics. That means the rubric should be present in a chapter are not present but given in the other chapter. So let's start from the misplaced rubrics for the Bonninghausen therapeutic pocketbook. So first rubric over here is the vertigo, which is found in the intellect, which is not found in the vertigo as we have the chapter in the Kant repertory. So vertigo in Bonninghausen therapeutic pocketbook is given in the intellect. Next is the paralysis of the optic nerve, which is given in the vision, not in the eye, is given in the vision. Next is the unconsciousness, which is also found in the intellect. Beard is found in the external head. Parotid gland is found in the ear. Eyes protruding sunken is found in the face, and this is also called a other rubric is wrinkles on forehead. This rubric is also found in the face. Eyes protruding sunken and the wrinkles on a forehead. These both the rubrics are misplaced and found in the chapter face of Bonninghausen therapeutic pocketbook. Then desire and aversions, that is for food and drinks. Desire and aversions are found in hunger and thirst. Very commonly asked question about the hunger and thirst, that any kind of food or drink asked in the Bonninghausen therapeutic pocketbook is placed in the hunger and thirst chapter. Next is the hiccough, which is found in the eructation and aggravation. This is the hiccough. Mons veneris is found in the external abdomen. Next, about the anus, hemorrhoids, rectum, perineum, these all are found in the stool. As we have seen that in Kant repertory, these have the different chapters, like stool, rectum, they have the different chapter in the Kant repertory. But in Bonninghausen therapeutic pocketbook, anus, hemorrhoids, rectum, and perineum, they are given in the chapter stool. Next, the abortion, which is given in the menstruation. And desire and aversion to open air is given in the sensation. Frozen limbs is found in the sensation. Symptoms regarding nails is found in the skin. And there is one more symptom is found in the skin, is sometimes asked, is hair of head fall out. This is also found in skin, not in head. Hair of head fall out is found in skin in Bonninghausen therapeutic pocketbook. Symptoms regarding nails is found in the skin. Next is the anemia is found in circulation. Burns in aggravation. Children especially remedy for in aggravation. Nursing children in aggravation. Injuries aggravation. Lying in women, that means the women diseases after the parturition is found in the aggravation in Bonnigerson Therapeutic Pocketbook. Next is the pregnancy in aggravation, stone cutter for aggravation, woman for aggravation, and some other rubrics like disorder stomach found in the aggravation. Next is the drinker for hard. This is also found in the aggravations. Suppression of eruptions is also found in aggravations. Suppression of nasal catarrh is also found in the aggravations. So these were the additions. And next is diaphragm rubric is found in the internal abdomen. These were the examples of the some of the misplaced rubrics, and we should know about all these rubrics very well. Each line is important related to this, and this is commonly asked in the multiple choice question. This was about the Bonnigerson Therapeutic Pocketbook. Thank you so much.